Welcome to Financial Jojo. My name is Josh, and this is the market update. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to get the latest in the market moving news. The markets were once again down today, and currently the Dow future is down, the S&P future is down, and the NASDAQ is down. But one stock that wasn't down was Amazon. They had announced a 20-for-1 split. Upon the announcement, the share climbed 5%, and it would also put the company in contention for inclusion in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This stock split will be its fourth since the IPO in 1997. The split would take its price from $2,785.58 to $139.28 at the end of yesterday. The distributions for the stock split will be made to shareholders at the close of business on June 3rd, and trading will begin with the split adjusted basis on June 6th. I also wanted to talk about AT&T. They have a upcoming investors meeting today. Currently, the stock is trading down 8.81% for the year. Over the last year, it's down 21.50%. Over the last 5 years, it's down a 45.58%. AT&T is a dividend aristocrat and has paid reliable dividends for a long time. So with this spinoff and merger with Discovery, AT&T shareholders will receive on a tax-free basis 0.24 shares of the new Warner Brothers Discovery stock for each AT&T share owned. The Warner Brothers Discovery will be listed under the ticker WBD. With that, AT&T shareholders will own about 71% of WBD. And I wanted to cover this because AT&T has always been known for its really nice dividend rate, but as we saw, the stock was going down for the last 5 years, and they've currently been paying about $2.08 per share. It's expected to cut its dividend to $1.11 per share, and at a price of about $24, it would equate to a 4.6 dividend yield. The current dividend yield is 8.97%, so you can see it basically cuts it in half, assuming WBD does not pay dividends, which I don't believe it will. So if we take a look at what the top analysts have to say for AT&T, they do see growth for AT&T. They believe this merger is going to be a positive catalyst for them. They see a price target of $29.43 with a potential upside of about 26.53%. And it's currently at a moderate buy with 15 analysts weighing in on it. Some positives for AT&T, they are trading at a relatively low PE ratio. Even with a 4.5% dividend yield, that's still a pretty nice payout for stockholders. And like I mentioned earlier, the PE ratio is less than the average for the U.S. telecom industry. And currently its price to book is less than the average for the U.S. telecom industry. So AT&T does have critical assets which provide scale and reach, which make it unmatched for its competitors, and does have a strong cash flow, which provides the company the ability to reinvest and build loyalty with its customers for the long term. But it does carry a ton of debt right now, which can be a big benefit if the conditions are favorable, or a really big problem if the landscape switches. The merger is going to increase AT&T's debt quite a bit. So the company's balance sheet is going to be something of concerns. But AT&T is a big player, and they should be able to manage this. That's one of those deals where you have to see how management handles this increase in debt. So the overall sentiment of investors are very positive. News has been very bullish. Bloggers' opinions have been very bullish. And we've seen an increase in hedge fund activity. Like I said earlier, the moderate buy rating has been given to it. Let me know, guys, what you think in the comments below. If we're looking at these charts, we're just seeing this downtrend. There was that little pop when rumors of the merger came out, and then we saw it trade back down. Of course, the market's been trading down. So if you're a long-term holder of AT&T and you're bullish on the merger and what's going to happen, let me know. I'm really curious to hear your guys' opinions on this. All right, that's going to be it for today. Don't forget to click that Moo link down below. Deposit $100 and you'll get a free stock of Lucid. And depending on your deposit levels, you can get up to 5 free stocks. And I also have my Gemini link down below. Over Gemini, when you use my link and trade $100 worth, you get $10 in free Bitcoin. All right, thanks guys. Have a great day.